Hey there, thank you for watching my channel. Today I've got a new pattern for you, and it's this one. It's a diagonal checkerboard stitch, and I pull it a little bit apart so you can see the pattern better, but if I block this work then it will be more visible. But I didn't block this work, so I'm going to show it like this. So I have a open checkerboard stitch. I don't know if I have it in English, but I know I have it in Dutch on my channel. It's from 2019, I guess, somewhere, but I can put the description in the box below. But this is the diagonal checkerboard stitch, and there is no right or wrong side, so both sides are the same. And you need to repeat row 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm going to show you once from row 1 until 5, and then you can rewind the video until you are back at row 2, and then you can crochet on top of row 5 further for the rest of the rows you want your pattern to be. So I've got my yarn, and I've got a crochet hook 3 millimeters, and first we're going to make a slip knot. And this pattern, if you need to make your chains, you're going to need a multiple of 8 and then plus 2. So first make your multiple of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to make it this wide. So I have 3 times the multiple of 8. And then I'm going to add 2 more chains, so 1, 2. So for row 1, this is the loop on your hook. We're going to skip that first chain, and the next one make a single crochet, and then chain 1 and skip that next stitch, and in that next one we're going to make a single crochet. Now chain 3 and then skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the next one make a single crochet, and continue this until you have 2 stitches left. So chain 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next one make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, 2, 3 stitches, and in the next one make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and in the next one make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and the next one make a single crochet. So now I have 2 stitches left. Now we need to chain 1, skip a stitch, and in the last one make a single crochet. So here's your row 1. Now for row 2, chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Turn your work, and this double crochet is on top of that first stitch. Now we're going to make a double crochet in that chain 1 space over here. So you had your single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So in the chain 1 space over here we're going to make a double crochet. Now chain 3, and in that first chain 3 space over here we're going to make a single crochet. I like to do it around the chain 3 space, but you can also do it like this, and then take the second chain. So if you 1, 2, 3 chains, and in that second chain make your single crochet. So that's also a possibility to do it like this. So I'm gonna show you when we have more rows how to do the other stitches if you want to put them inside the chains. Now chain 3, and in the next chain 3 space make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. I like to do it like this, but you can also choose to put them inside each chain. Now continue this for this row. So chain 3, in the next chain 3 space make a single crochet, chain 3, in the next chain 3 space make 3 double crochets, chain 3, and I've got one more chain 3 space left, and you need to make 1 single crochet. So if your chain, your base chain is longer, then continue this for the rest of your row until you have 1 chain 3 space left, and then make your single crochet over there. Now chain 3 and skip that single crochet, and in a chain 1 space like you did in the beginning make a double crochet, and then make a double crochet in your last stitch, and that's your single crochet from the beginning of that previous row. So make a double crochet in the last stitch. Now for row 3, chain 1, turn your work. In that first stitch, that's the double crochet from the previous row, make a single crochet. Now chain 1, skip that double crochet and make a single crochet in that first chain 3 space. You can make it around that chain 3 space, or you can put that into the first of the chain 3 spaces. So you have 1, 2, 3 chains, and you can put it in the first one if you want to do it like this. Now chain 3 and make a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So you can make it around the chain 3 space, and you can see, I'll show you with my swatch, or you can make it in the last chain, so you have 1, 2, 3 chains over here, and you can make it in the last chain like this. So this is how it looks when you put them inside the stitches. And you can see here I put them around my stitches. So here's the difference between putting them in the stitches, I hope you can see it, or around the stitches. So you can choose whatever you want to for your diagonal checkerboard stitch. Okay, so now chain 3, continue this for the rest of this row until you're at the end. Skip that 3 double crochets, and in the next chain 3 space make a single crochet, chain 3, and in the next chain 3 space, so skip that single crochet, and here's your next chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 3, skip those 3 double crochets, and in the next chain 3 space make a single crochet, chain 3, and in the next chain 3 space make a single crochet. Now you have 2 double crochets left, so the chain 3 counts as double crochet, so here's your 1 double crochet. So chain 1, skip that 1 double crochet over here, and in the top of the chain 3 space make a single crochet. Like this. Okay, so that was row 3. Now let's go over to row 4. Chain 1, turn your work. In that first stitch over here, make a single crochet, chain 3, and in that first chain 3 space, so you're going to skip that chain 1 and single crochet over here. In that first chain 3 space make 3 double crochets, so 1, 2 and 3, And you can see that we're gonna place I'm gonna call this a checkerboard part over here. Those 3 double crochets, you're gonna see they're gonna be diagonal on top of each other. So here's your single crochet, and now on top of that there are the 3 double crochets. So that means that in here we're gonna need a single crochet and 3 double crochets. So we just made our 3rd double crochet. Now let's chain 3, and in the next chain 3 space make a single crochet, chain 3, and continue this for the rest of this row until you're at the end. In the next chain 3 space make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3. In the next chain 3 space make 1 single crochet, chain 3, and now I'm at the last chain 3 space. So if you have more stitches left, then just continue this until you are at the last chain 3 space, and then you need to make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 3 and skip that single crochet, skip the chain 1 space, and in the last stitch over here make a single crochet. And that's row 4. Now for row 5 is the last row, chain 4. This counts as a double crochet with the chain 1, and turn your work, and in this first chain 3 space make a single crochet. If you are putting them inside the chains, then put it in a 3rd chain. Now chain 3, skip the 3 double crochets, and in the next chain 3 space make a single crochet. So put it in the first chain if you are putting it in the stitches. Chain 3 and go over to the next chain 3 space and put it in the last chain, or just put it around the chain 3 space. Now chain 3, go over to the next chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 3, go over to the next chain 3 space and make a single crochet, chain 3, go over to the next chain 3 space and make a single crochet, and I'm at the end now. So now we're going to make one chain, and in the last stitch, there's a single crochet over here, make 1 double crochet. So the first, at the beginning you made your chain 4, that counted as a double crochet, chain 1, and at the end you made just chain 1 and a double crochet. So now you're just gonna repeat row 2 until 5. So you're gonna start here with a chain 3 and a double crochet in that first chain over here, chain 3, and you can see that here you need to put your single crochet in, chain 3, and then make your 3 double crochets, chain 3, make 1 single crochet over here, chain 3, make 3 double crochets over here, chain 3, make 1 single crochet over here, chain 3, and make 2 double crochets in this part over here, and then just go along with the rest of this pattern. So I hope it makes sense, and I hope you can make something with this pattern. And I'm curious if you like my patterns and my videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And if you do not want to miss any of my new videos that I'm gonna post in the future, subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.